Hey, today I'm going to demonstrate how to build your first workflow on MindCloud's low-code automation platform. So if you haven't already created your free account, click Get Started Free. That will walk you through registering. Once you have validated your account, click on Sign In up at the top right. When you arrive, you'll be on the home screen. This will show you where all of your workflows are if you've built them already. So for now, click on Create Your First Workflow. This brings you to the workflow builder screen. So the first step, what starts this workflow? Click on that, and you can have this start by a schedule, such as run it every hour, or you can have it start by a webhook. So those are the two different methods of starting a workflow. Next, click on what should your workflow do first? What we're going to do is demonstrate connecting to your Slack account and looping through all of the channels and sending a message to yourself so you know what channels exist in your Slack account. First step, click on Select an App, type in Slack, and click Slack. Now sign in using OAuth 2. Click that. That is going to give a pop-up screen that you'll see MindCloud is requesting permission to access, blah, blah, blah. Once you've done that, click on Action. Actions are the things that you are going to do with that API. So in this case, we've got a bunch of different actions that you could do with Slack. So click on List Channels and then click Run. This will show you all of your channels. So for this demo, I'm just displaying a few of my channels, but you can see here the summary gives you the title and then a description of the channel if you've described it inside Slack. Next step, underneath List Channels, click Add Your Next Step. We're going to loop through those channels, so click on the Iterate button here and choose List Channels, which is step 1. And then click Output so you can see what's going to loop through. And you can see here, this shows each of the channels that it is going to loop through. All right, the next thing we're going to do is send a message to yourself in Slack with the name of that channel. So underneath Loop Through Slack, click Add Child, then choose Slack, choose Message, Send Message to User. Now under User, choose yourself, so click on Select an Option and then find yourself there. All right, so click on Message and type some message that you want to say. Here is a channel. And then inside you'll see you can choose variables. So this shows you the different steps that are in your workflow. So choose step 2, loop through Slack list channels. And now it will give you all the fields that are in that step 2. So we're going to choose name. I'm going to run a test just to see how that looks. So click Run. And that just sent a message to myself. Here is a channel, general. And it's from the Slack demo bot. And there you go. So now I'm going to actually run it. So I'm going to do that one more time so you can see that. This blue highlight is showing you the step that it's doing. So here starts on step 1, and then it goes through the loop there. I'm going to switch over to Slack to show you how that looks. All right, so here is the Slack bot that we've connected to, and here is the output from our integration. I'm going to run that again so you can see it happen live. And there you go. So now you can see the integration is actually running through each channel, looping through them, and sending a message to myself with the name of the channel. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you would like more information about our low-code platform, go to mindcloud.co. You can also join our public Slack community where we have live support and you can get help building your workflows directly from one of our automation experts. I'll be doing these videos regularly, so let me know in the chat if you would like any other particular tutorials or how-tos on using our low-code platform. All right, see you guys soon.